Today, I'm going to make a strawberry jam. To make the strawberry jam, add the strawberries. It should be washed, halved, or whole. The sugar and lemon in a medium-sized saucepan. Bring this to a boil. Mash the berries with the tip of the wooden spoon. Continue to boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid reduces slowly, until it coats the spoon and becomes thick naturally. Turn off the heat when you reach your desired consistency. Let the jam cool a bit. And here I have sterilized glass jars. Let this dry out before transferring the jam into this jar. And label the jar with a date if you plan to store this in the fridge or freeze this up to 1 year. So thank you for watching. Eat, enjoy, and love.